Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can put videos inside text in Filmora. It's pretty easy, so let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to choose a video footage. So I have a video footage over here in stock media. You can also import any video that you want. But for now, I'm going to use this particular stock footage. So I'm going to simply drag it. Now I'm going to click on the titles and choose the default text. So we need text for this to create this text masking effect or to put videos inside a text. Now I'm simply going to double click on text layer and I'm going to go to advanced. Now from here I'm going to delete the text and create a rectangle shape from here. Now make sure that the rectangle covers the entire area of this particular screen. And again, I'm going to delete this text over here and I'm going to change the color of this particular rectangle to black. So go below, go down and scroll down, and from here shape fill and make it black. So it will become black. Now we are going to insert text from here, quick text. Now write whatever you want. So I'm going to write, let's say, photo. The text doesn't really matter, and make sure to choose a bold font so that the video inside is easily visible. So I'm going to choose the impact font. So this font is bold enough. As you can see, you can choose any bold font that you want. Now I'm going to increase the size of it, and you can always decrease the size like so. Now I'm going to press apply. So this is how it looks, but to be able to see the video below, I'm again going to double click and I'm going to change the blend mode or the blending mode. So go down and go to video, go down, and in blend mode choose multiply so that the video below is visible. So if I play this, simply I'm going to play it on full screen. So this is how it looks. So this is how it looks. I will play again. So this is basically the text mask effect, or we have simply put video inside the text. Now if you want to add zoom effect, we can simply decrease the font size slightly and go to text and go to animation and choose zoom effect. So we have zoom in effect, so double click. So this is how it will look. So again I'm going to stop it and keep the playhead at the beginning, and again view, full screen, play. So this is how it will look, zoom effect as well as the text mask effect at the same time. I will play it again. This is how it will look. And one advantage of making the text effect or text masking effect by this method, that we can change the text at any time that we want. So let's say I want some different text. So I can simply change the text. So let's say I want football. So I can simply type football. You can also change the font and everything. So again, view, full screen, go to the beginning, play. So this is how it will look. And as I said earlier, you can put any video that you want, and make sure the video should be below the text layer so that the mask is created. So that's it. It is that easy to create text masking in Filmora. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.